On the 16th and 17th of September, an intriguing model railway event took place in the regional town of Kyneton, known as ARMMEX 23, which is the Australian Railway Modelers Manufacturing Exposition. This stands out from others as it doesn't feature model railway layouts, instead it focuses on showcasing the work of small, local manufacturers, model builders and weathering professionals. The primary concept behind this event is to provide attendees with the opportunity to engage in meaningful discussions with businesses and individuals who are experts in various aspects of model railways. It's a platform for learning how to construct kits, master weathering technique, refine soldering skills, delve into decaling and explore the realm of 3D printing, and essentially covers every facet of the model railway hobby. All this knowledge exchange occurs in a cosy and intimate setting. The manufacturers in attendance were Brunel Hobbies, who were there for the first time. They were there with their back scenes and Australian produced merchandise. They also had many of their locally made jigs and tools. Billboards, who offer almost every type of decal one would want for modelling public trains of Australia. They have an extensive range of decals covering a large range of Victorian and other states' rolling stock. Broad gauge models with Bryan and Murray, who are manufacturers of brass and white metal kits, Victorian and South Australian steam locomotives. They have produced to date many Victorian and South Australian locomotives and were there to answer any questions about the intricacies of soldering. The Macedon Rangers Model Railway Club, who are a small club located in the Kyneton railway station, who are currently in the process of building a HO and an ON30 layout as permanent club layouts, as well as a number of modules in ON30 for upcoming exhibitions. LYNDONS Trains, who manufacture a variety of kits and ready-to-run trains for the Australian modeler, spanning HO, O, N-scale and everything in between. Veteran Models, who manufacture O-gauge Victorian Railways locomotives in rolling stock, as well as other prototype trains in Australia. Blue and Gold Models, who provide quality HO scale polyurethane kits and accessories to suit any blue and gold era modeler. Their range of available models is growing and will include a lot of ex-G&E model kits, with new models in the works and on the drawing board over the next 12 months. There was also weathering by Steve, who was demonstrating his weathering techniques, which are rather unique in the hobby, although the results speak for themselves. It was great to be able to have a chat with Steve on how and whys of weathering for the realistic look for your steam engine, diesel or piece of rolling stock. There was model building with Mitchell and Zek, who are some of the younger and up-and-coming builders in the hobby, and a welcome sight to see the younger generation involved in carrying on the building side of the hobby. Now, we decided to make a bit of a day of it, considering that Kyneton is situated about 90 kilometres from Melbourne, and what makes Kyneton appealing of all destinations is it's conveniently located on the main railway line to Bendigo, ensuring a frequent train service. And given the ever-increasing costs of living, particularly regarding fuel prices, I can wholeheartedly recommend taking advantages of the incredibly affordable fares offered by V-Line, with daily cab tickets now at $10. We even lucked out on our trip back to Melbourne with the soon-to-be phased-out locomotive haul trip with the much more comfortable N-set type carriages. To cap off our enjoyable day, we did make a stop at the local pub along with some other attendees, and I must say we had a fantastic time. So if you're interested in staying informed about similar events, you can subscribe for updates, as I regularly promote these gatherings in the monthly Model Railway News. Also, I'll provide any additional relevant information in the description below. So once again, thank you all for joining us to have a look at ARMMEX 2023, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Hooroo!